Hey guys, what's up? So I totally forgot as I was filming this morning that I need to film my Birchbox July video. So you will see this look twice. I will link the video in which I just filmed it earlier. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys what I got in my Birchbox. So this one is like a really light colors, like a lot of pinks, blues, greens for July. And they actually sent extra items. I got like 7 items instead of 5, which is cool. They have like tips for how to hack your summer, avoid makeup meltdowns, reach for makeup setting spray to prevent the base from performing a disappearing act, take a staycation, block off downtime to enjoy carefree days amidst the season's jam-packed plans, filling the sunburn, soothe your skin with an aloe-based lotion or cold bath. Unfortunately, I can't use the aloe lotion because I am like allergic to certain things with aloe, so I try not to use straight aloe. Stay above water. Intake. Fruity cocktails are fun, but remember to sip on plenty of H2O to stay hydrated. Calm frizz. A quick spritz of humidity shielding spray can help ensure a good hair day. Watch our videos with tips for different hair types. Maintain a bedtime. The days are longer, but sleep is just as important now as the rest of the year. And then on the other side, it tells what I got. So I will start with this one. This is the Oral-B Matte Waves Texture Lotion, and the full size is $42. It says, get a piecey, undone texture with this lightweight lotion that leaves a matte finish. Apply to damp strands and let air dry for nourished, beachy waves without any salty dry out. So that is the first thing. Oops. It smells really, really good. Like, I love the smell of that. That'll be really cool to use. Another thing I got is Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. So it's normally $24 for the full size. It says gently remove impurities, makeup, and excess oil by lathering up with this amino acid infused face wash that has a refreshing grapefruit scent. Massage over damp skin, then rinse. This one also smells really good. Things are smelling really good this time, and that's really cool. I love products that like smell good. Another thing that they sent me is the Love Sun Body suntan lotion. It's natural origin mineral sunscreen SPF 30, lightly scented. The full size is $32. Protect your face and body with this vanilla scented formula, which delivers non-streaky mineral SPF 30. Apply generously 30 minutes before sun exposure. See if I can even. Oh, it's taped. That's why it's not opening. Just pull the tape off if I can. Don't you hate it when you're trying to get tape off something and it just kind of rips instead of like actually coming off? Okay. This has like a really good smell. I guess it kind of smells like vanilla. It's like kind of a weird smell, even though I really like it. Like, it's not totally vanilla, but it's not like, you can still smell the vanilla, so that's kind of weird. Another thing that I got is let me find it, Aero Revive Cooling Cheek Tint in Berry Flush. The full size is $18. Reach for this oil-free tinted gel blush that melts into skin for a natural looking blush. Just dab onto the apples of your cheeks, then blend using your fingertips. So I have never used a liquid blush, so that is very interesting to me, but also very scary because, as you know, I haven't always even used any kind of blush. See how pink it actually is. I'm curious. Ooh, that's a red color. Ooh, I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna test it and let you guys know what I think. I guess it's not as bad once it like is blended into the skin, but it kind of stained my finger, so I feel like it could be a pretty deep red color, and I'm not sure I want that. So I will let you guys know what I think when I test it. Another thing I got, it's actually 2 things together, but I will read them separately. So one of them is the Davines Love Smoothing Shampoo. The full size is $26. It's enriched with olive extract, fatty acids, and vitamin E. This formula smooths frizz and tangle-prone strands while you wash. It smells interesting. I'm not sure I would say I like the smell, but it's not a bad smell. And the other thing is the Davines Love Smoothing Conditioner. The full size is $30. This conditioner is infused with olive extract and nourishing fatty acids to fight frizz and give intense moisture and shine. So this one they just sent in like a little pack. So I'm going to be testing these out and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on them. The last thing that I got is the makeup eraser. The original makeup eraser. Full size is $20. Stubborn makeup, think waterproof mascara, will be gone in a flash with this plush chemical-free cloth made with super fine fibers. Run it under water and then sweep away makeup. So I haven't opened this yet, but it says that to use it, you just get it wet and use warm water, and then you can just kind of like gently erase it when you like rub it. And you can also flip it to exfoliate. So I'm going to open this up and check it out. So it comes in this little pouch. It says number one reusable makeup removal system in the world. Apparently it was America's favorite makeup removal system since 2013. So it has Take the Love test in here. It's like a little thing that tells you about it. Simply put on your heaviest makeup, double your mascara. Simply wet your pre-wash sample with water. The warmer the wetter, the better. In circular motions, gently remove mascara, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, and more. Be amazed that all your makeup was just erased with water. It has a warning on it. It says your sample may fray. This is to be expected. Hand-sewn, full-size original eraser has a sateen edge to ensure not to fray. So they kind of just cut like a piece of it, I guess, to give to you. And it kind of just shows you like the different things about the bigger one. And it says, Dear future customer, we are so excited that you have been chosen to take the Makeup Eraser Challenge. By the end of this experience, your heart should be set on a new makeup removal system. Use an eco-friendly product that only requires water, lasts you 3 to 5 years, and helps save landfills of wipes and cotton balls. Together, we are changing the way the world removes makeup. We hope you love Makeup Eraser as much as we do. They guarantee Makeup Eraser changes your removal routine or your money back. It's very soft. I'm very interested to try it and see how it actually works for removing makeup. I've never thought of just using a cloth to remove makeup. So that'll be cool to like test and try. But yeah, that's all the stuff I got. Like I said, it's kind of weird they sent extra things this time. I guess the shampoo and conditioner kind of go together. But yeah, so that's all the stuff I got this time. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!